Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete location history on TikTok. First, you just need to open the TikTok application on your device just like this and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on this three horizontal line button and go to the settings and privacy. From here you just need to find the privacy option in account section and tap on it, and from here we will get the location services, and in this location services option we will get location history section where we can just delete the certain location data. So if we tap on this button here, then it will simply delete the location history on TikTok. So here you can see some instruction for you. Then you can just tap on delete and it will simply delete the location history from your TikTok accounts. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.